What is up guys, my name is Chase and these are the Apple AirPods Max. This is Apple's high-end premium wireless headphones that comes with a lot of the features that we know and love from the AirPods. So today we'll be taking a look at the space gray model and see what I think. And there are the AirPods Max. Whoa, these are quite hefty, like it's pretty heavy in there, oh my goodness. On the bottom we have our instructions. Oh no, it looks like there's no Apple stickers, what the heck? How are you gonna sell these expensive headphones and not give Apple stickers, what the heck? And then at the very bottom we have a lightning to USB-C cable. Now I am very lucky and grateful to have gotten these as a Christmas gift. But I'm not going to lie, I'm kind of opening this with the expectation that I am going to have to return them. Since I'm one of these glasses wearers, I usually just can't do headphones in general because they usually like press against the sides of my glasses. So I'm interested to try these on and see if they hurt at all. So with the AirPods Max, we get the infamous like sports bra looking case. Open them up here and then out come the AirPods Max. I will say they are quite hefty and that worries me too because I have a very sensitive head. I'm a very sensitive person, both physically and emotionally. So inside of the ear cups you have R and L to show you which side is the left or right. On the top of the right ear cup you have the digital crown that you'll find on the Apple Watch, as well as an action button. So what do you say? Let's adjust these and try them on. Ooh, it doesn't help too that I have a very large head. Whoa, I can't hear myself talk. Am I talking very loud? In terms of the fit, I do have a very large head. It does feel quite heavy on my head, so we can try turning these on. Whoa, now we're in transparency mode. I can like hear myself. This is wild. This is actually quite wild. Okay, I'm in noise canceling mode and I can barely hear myself think. Then we go into transparency, I can hear myself. That's kind of wild. Wow, that's like an out-of-body experience that I'm having here. Yeah, I can already kind of tell that the fit I don't think is going to work well for me for long periods of time. But what I will say so far is that yeah, the quality, like the actual build quality and material of this is very like high quality. Yeah, it's just a little bit too small on my head. I don't know, I'm like debating whether or not I should keep this. Once again, this was a very gracious gift that I got for Christmas. It's just that yeah, I don't know in terms of comfort how well it's going to work for me. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what else I can really say about it. Like the fact that it is quite tight on my head does worry me because I can imagine if I'm wearing this for a long time, I might get some like pain or like straining. So I'm not too sure whether or not this will be worth keeping. But what I will say is that, yeah, I can tell that the quality is very high with these. And as far as I can tell so far, like the noise cancellation works very well as the transparency mode. So I can see how these headphones are very like high quality and have a lot of really cool features. Again, it's just that I'm very sensitive to headphones and stuff that I don't know if I would be able to wear these a lot. So that's just my take and that's everything that's in this box. It's just very straightforward. When you're done with them, you can just like pop them back in this little like sports bra looking thing. There you go. The AirPods Max, everybody. But thank you very much for watching this very quick unboxing of the AirPods Max as well as my like first impressions. Although headphones are kind of iffy, especially with my glasses, I can say that the AirPods Pros are usually my go-to earphones, so feel free to check out my review of those. Let me know in the comments if you guys are using the AirPods Max. For now, my name is Chase and I will see you guys again soon. Goodbye.